Good morning, students. Today we are going to talk about the difference between static and dynamic testing, as you can see, and further we'll be talking about walkthrough and peer reviews in software testing. In this software testing series of lectures, first topic I'll be discussing here is the differences, commonly asked question between the static testing and dynamic. Now, as you can see, as the name suggests, static and dynamic. Static, something which is stationary. Something which is, when we are talking about static testing, the term should come to your mind is dry run of the program or a software. And dynamic testing may, when you actually execute a program with the sample input values and you witness certain errors. Okay, so that is dynamic testing. So coming on to the text, you can see here, static testing is done basically to test the software work products, requirement specification, test plan, user manual, etc. They are not executed. Mind it, the things are not executed in static testing, but tested with a set of some tools and processes. It provides a powerful way to improve the quality and the productivity of the software development. Kind of a dry run is applied in the static testing methodology. In dynamic testing is basically when execution is done on the software code as a technique to detect defects and to determine the quality attributes of the code. With dynamic testing methods, software is executed using a set of inputs and its output is then compared to the expected results. So if the two things are in compliance with each other, we said to have approved the test, else the defects are noted down. Right. Now, as I said, the next main topic for today would be walkthrough. In software engineering, a walkthrough is a form of software peer review in which a designer or a programmer leads members of the development team and other interested parties go through the software product. And the participants ask questions and make comments about possible errors, violation of development standards and other problems. So we can also say that जो walkthrough होता है, it is a kind of informal discussion amongst the team members of a software development team. It has two broad objectives, that is walkthrough के दो main purposes होते हैं. First, to gain feedback about the technical quality or content of the developed document, and second, to familiarize the audience with the content. जनरली आप लोग जब कोई सॉफ्टवेयर बनाते हैं या कोई प्रोजेक्ट बनाते हैं तो उस प्रोजेक्ट को जब आप प्रेजेंट करते हैं टू द एग्जामिनर और टू द ऑडियंस या टू योर इंटरव्यूअर, तो एट दैट मोमेंट व्हाट आर यू the explanation you are providing is nothing but the walkthrough to your software or a project that you have developed. Walkthroughs are represented by the below characteristics. Walkthroughs की कुछ characteristics होते हैं. First, it is not a formal process or a review. It is led by authors. Means जो उस software का developer है, जो programmer है, जो author है, वही main lead होता है. Author guides the participants. Now these participants could be the audiences, जिनको आप customers, clients, जिनको आप sell करने वाले हैं अपना product, या आपके authorities. Like if you are a student, then your teachers, your examiner for Viva, they be the participants of your walkthrough. Through the document according to his or her thought process to achieve common understanding and to gather feedback. Useful for people if they are not from software discipline, who are not used to or cannot easily understand the software development process. Especially मेरे client जिनके लिए मैंने software बनाया है, तो उनको हम walkthrough means अपने software का एक tour कराते हैं कि मेरे इस सॉफ्टवेयर में हमने ये फीचर्स दिए हैं, ये ऑप्शंस हैं, आप यहाँ पे ऐसे क्लिक करोगे तो ये होगा, आपको ये फीचर चाहिए तो इसके लिए हमने ये फीचर प्रोवाइड करा है, ये सर्विस चाहिए तो ये वाला फीचर है. तो आप पूरा एक गाइडेड टूर देते हैं ना अपने सॉफ्टवेयर का. दैट इज़ अ वॉक थ्रू प्रोसेस. इट इज़ स्पेशली यूजफुल फॉर हायर लेवल डॉक्यूमेंट्स like requirement specification. Now, three specialist roles are there. They are in the team of walkthrough. There are three main people involved. First is the author, who presents the software product in a step-by-step manner at the walkthrough meeting and is probably responsible for completing most action time. And the second one is the walkthrough leader, who conducts the walkthrough, handles the administrative task and ensures orderly conduct, and who is often the author. एंड थर्ड पर्सन इज द रिकॉर्डर. रिकॉर्डर का काम होता है जितनी भी एरर्स या एनोमलीज, पोटेंशियल डिफेक्ट्स, जो भी डिसीजंस होते हैं, अगर कोई डिफेक्ट्स फाइंड आउट होते हैं या कोई एक्शन रिक्वायर्ड होता है या कोई सजेशन होता है, उन सबका एक नोट डाउन करना ड्यूरिंग द वॉक थ्रू मीटिंग्स, उसको नोट करने का काम करता है रिकॉर्डर. नाउ नेक्स्ट आई हैव टोल्ड यू अबाउट व्हाट आर द गोल्स ऑफ वॉक थ्रू. To present the document both within and outside the software discipline in order to gather the information regarding the topic under documentation, to explain or to do the knowledge transfer and to evaluate the contents of the document, to achieve a common understanding and to gather feedback, to examine and discuss the validity of the proposed solutions. सो ये पर्पज़ लेकर हम लोग वॉक थ्रू करते हैं. जनरली आप लोग अभी सेमेस्टर 6 में जब प्रोजेक्ट बनाएंगे तो आपको अपना प्रोजेक्ट प्रेजेंट करना होगा टू द एग्जामिनर फॉर इवैल्यूएशन. तो जब आप अपना प्रोजेक्ट प्रेजेंट कर रहे होंगे टू द एग्जामिनर, सो दैट इज़ अ काइंड ऑफ वॉक थ्रू यू विल बी कंडक्टिंग, in which you will be the author of the project and you will be the leader also to present the walkthrough. And as a recorder, the examiner would be the audience and would be behaving as a recorder also, who is going to record your defects or suggestions or will point your improvements. Herein I've tried to give you the difference between inspection and walkthrough. It's very clear as I have given it in tabular form. Formal होता है inspection, जबकि walkthrough is an informal process. You can see initiated by the project team, जबकि it is initiated by the author. The walkthroughs are initiated by the author itself. और inspection क्योंकि formal होता है, it is a planned activity, जबकि walkthrough क्योंकि informal है, it is an unplanned activity, कभी भी कर सकते हैं. Inspection के लिए reader reads the product code, everyone inspects it and comes up with the defects. और जबकि walkthrough में author reads the product code and his teammate come up with the defects or suggestion. In inspection, recorder records the defects. इसी तरह recorder इसमें भी होता है, walkthrough में similarity है. Makes the note of the defects and suggestions offered by the teammate. लिखा है यहाँ author, but ये you can have a dedicated recorder here also. Moderator has a role in making sure that the discussion proceed on the productive lines. जबकि क्योंकि informal होता है walkthrough, तो यहाँ पे किसी moderator की ज़रूरत ही नहीं होती. Okay, so these are some of the differences between the walkthrough and the peer reviews. Now, as a last topic to be discussed here in this session, as I said, is the peer review. A peer review is a review technique which is static white box testing methodology, which are conducted to spot defects early in the life cycle that cannot be detected by black box testing techniques. White box, black box testing techniques I'll be discussing as a part of Unit 2 in my forthcoming sessions, and wherein I'll be telling you in detail what are white box and black box testing methods. Peer review is a process of assessing the technical content and quality of the product, and it is usually conducted by author of the work product along with some other developers. Peer review is performed in order to examine or resolve defects in the software whose quality is also checked by other team members. Again I repeat, क्योंकि ये एक psychological fact है कि the author is never ever able to find out the errors himself. I'll not say ever, but most oftenly it is found कि अगर आपको अपने काम में, अपनी प्रोडक्ट में गलतियां ढूंढनी है तो बेटर है किसी थर्ड पार्टी को इन्वॉल्व करिए, या पहले आप अपने फ्रेंड्स को इन्वॉल्व करिए. पीयर मीन्स कलीग्स, बिकॉज उनको जितनी जल्दी आपके डिफेक्ट्स नज़र आएंगे वो शायद आपको, क्योंकि आप ऑथर हो प्रोग्राम के, आपको शायद नहीं नज़र आएंगे. तो पीयर रिव्यू इज़ परफॉर्म टू एग्जामिन एंड रिजॉल्व दोज डिफेक्ट्स. पीयर रिव्यू हैज़ द फॉलोइंग टाइप्स, एज यू कैन सी. कितने तरह के पीयर रिव्यूज़ कर सकते हैं? कोड रिव्यू, जहाँ पे pair programming is a kind of a code review where two developers develop code together at the same platform. Walkthroughs के through members of the development team is guided by author and other interested parties, and the participants ask questions and make comments about the defects. That is our walkthrough technology. Technical review, where a team of highly qualified individuals examine the software product, means kind of an inspection, जहाँ पे हम experts को expert opinion लेने के लिए अपने product को present करते हैं उनको, बिकॉज हमारा मानना है हमने चेक कर लिया, हमारे दोस्तों ने चेक कर लिया, अब आप भी चेक कर लीजिए, काइंड ऑफ. एंड इंस्पेक्शन एंड कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स में आई हैव गिवन यू व्हाट आर द कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स ऑफ peer review. It is documented and used defect detection process, doesn't involve management participation, and usually led by moderator who is not an author. So I think that's all. Thank you.